Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can I send you her for the PDF?
I think I have it. Just wait a minute. This is 7C now. I already saved it last
Yes,
time.
ma'am.
Let me check that. Is it the same one?
Ma'am,
Or
I
not?
said. Ma'am, I sent.
You
Ma'am,
already
I
sent
wasn't
it.
there in the last class.
You already sent it. Okay, let me check. Is it this one? Let me show you which one. Wait a second. Let it open. Then I'll show you. कहाँ गया? Open करो. Okay, I got it. Is it the same one? Is it the same?
Ma'am, the screen is downloading.
Like this one we are doing? Actually, last time we attended previous week we have attended the class, right? Is this the PDF we are doing? Is this the question which we are doing? Yes, Kavya, where have you gone? What about others? Open your cameras.
Ma'am,
Yes,
no,
everyone,
ma'am,
open your
ma'am, this
cameras.
is not my PDF. Ma'am, this is not
No,
my
not your
PDF.
PDF, but are we doing the same thing? Are we doing the same question? Which questions we were doing? First of all, tell me patterns. Open your cameras.
Ma'am, we are on analogy. Ma'am, we are on
Analogies. We are on
analogy and
analogy. Okay, okay.
classification.
Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute then. We are doing analogy. That means patterns is done
Ma'am,
by
I sent good
Excel.
morning on your number.
Okay, I got it.
Yes, ma'am.
I got it. Wait a second, beta. Open your cameras quickly, everyone. I don't want to see beta. See, Abhi, I will also open my camera definitely. You also open your cameras so that we can see each other and make it an interactive instead
Ma'am, now
of.
I have sent to your number.
Okay, thank you so much, beta. But I think I already have it.
I
Let
sent
me share
before,
it
yes?
with you. But switch on your cameras quickly.
I have sent
Everyone,
this 2 times.
is this
Understood?
one? This is the same. Okay, till 10th question it is. Have we done these questions? I think we have done this question. Okay, let me just download it. Give me a minute. It is sent by Kavya also. हाँ काव्य यही वाली थी. काव्य
No,
लेकिन ये
ma'am,
तो
I have
पैटर्न
sent the PDF of together 3 chapters.
together
Ma'am,
of
but this
3
is not the name
chapters.
of my PDF.
Okay, वो 3 chapters की है. All right, all right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Let me download this of Yash. This is class 7th
Ma'am,
na? हाँ.
ma'am, I forget sended you the PDF.
Okay. Don't send it, Kavya. It's okay. I'll just get it from Yash. I got it from Yash. Don't worry. Okay, I'll just take it. Yes, open your cameras quickly. Akriti, Falak, Yash, Aviral, open your cameras. I don't want to teach
Ma'am,
the
but I
dummies
sent
over here.
before.
We are not. I'm now. I don't want to teach the dummies over here. I just please open your cameras. ये वाला analogy we are doing here. अच्छा कुछ हाँ ये questions थे ठीक है. Question 10 तक I suppose we have done ना. Question 10th भी हमने कर लिया था. 11th कर लिया था. 12th कर लिया था. है ना. I think we have to start from this circle oval वाला भी कर लिया था. Cross वाला भी कर लिया था. Yes. Exercise 2 we have to start, right? Exercise 2. This one. Page number it is. Which page number it is? Page number 19. Exercise 2. Yes. Open your camera. Netik. Palak.
Okay, ma'am, just
Open your cameras quickly. Okay. Let me also open my camera. Wait a second. Yeah.
Ma'am, I am just opening.
Okay. Be quick. Okay. So now see. This is the PDF I'm showing to you. Okay, I hope you can see my video, my video also. Can you see my video,
Yes,
everyone?
ma'am.
So that I can explain on the board and you can see here also as well. Okay, let me spotlight myself. Wait a second. Okay, keep your videos also open and be attentive and be interactive. जो समझ नहीं आ रहा है पूछ लो. If you have some extra interesting questions, this is reasoning chapter. If you have some interesting questions to ask from the whole class, like puzzle or anything, you can ask in my period. Okay, because reasoning is all about mental
Okay, ma'am.
abilities. Reasoning is all about mental ability. You can check your each other's mental ability. You can take test among yourself. Okay, the 15th one. Have you got this page, everyone?
Ma'am?
Yes or no? Yes,
Ma'am, I
Kavya?
have an interactive question.
You have an interactive question. Okay, can you tell this? Tell
Yes,
the
ma'am.
whole class.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the answer I am also not knowing. Ma'am,
Hmm.
this is the question, ma'am, for all.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1 plus 1 equals to 4. How?
What?
Ma'am, 1 plus 1 equals to 4. How?
Okay. 8 second. Netik, Falak, Yash, and Rishit. Are you opening your cameras or not? I want an interactive
ma'am.
session. I don't want that somebody of them are sitting quietly and idle, and half of the class is doing work. Yes. Yes, Kavya. What is it? Falak, open a camera.
Ma'am, my question is, ma'am,
Hmm.
1 plus 1 equals to 4. How?
1 plus 1 equals to 4. How? I think I know the
Equals to
answer.
4. How? Yes,
Huh.
ma'am.
By mistake.
Ma'am, you are the teacher, ma'am. You would be knowing, but not the all.
Acha, the by mistake is the correct answer or not? Tell me. Is it the correct answer? By mistake? No? Okay. I am also not knowing. How would I know? If I'm the teacher, it doesn't mean that I know all the mental abilities, whatever
Ma'am,
it
it
is
isn't
not
right.
compulsory that I know all the things. Yes. Anyone can tell me? Kavya asked this question. Can you tell this answer? How 1 plus 1 is equals to 4? How? There are 4 sticks. Okay, Sarthak is saying there are 4 sticks. Is it correct, Kavya? Even I don't know the answer. I'm also trying. Sarthak is saying that this is. Rishat, open your camera, beta. Why there are so? How many students were there in the previous class?
Ma'am, there are 2 desks, ma'am. I think some are in the waiting room.
No,
Ma'am,
they
please
are not
see.
in the waiting room. Is not they open. Let me see. Have I locked the meeting? Oh, I locked the meeting. That's why. That's what I'm thinking. What is this happening? Just wait.
Ma'am, the participants in the last class, ma'am, for more than 20.
Oh my God. Sorry, beta. It was
Ma'am, excuse me.
I locked the meeting by mistake.
Excuse
Sorry,
me.
beta. Sorry, everyone.
Ma'am, I was very scared.
Yeah. Have you texted me on the
Ma'am, I
WhatsApp?
also very
Oh
Ma'am,
God.
actually
Yes,
listen to
ma'am.
me. Ma'am, I am
Very
trying to.
much, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am on time.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, I am
That's
deleting
why I was
the
thinking, beta. That's why I was thinking. That's why I was thinking why the
Ma'am,
strength
still
is
the
so less.
participants are less. Ma'am, still
I
the
think why the
participants are
strength
less.
is so less and nobody is joining and nobody is letting in. What happened? So the meeting was locked by
Yes,
mistake
ma'am.
by me. Okay. Okay. Now
It's
open your
okay, ma'am.
cameras.
Okay.
Rere, Palak, Arav, Prakhar, Sanchi, Rishabh. Open your cameras quickly. Okay. This question is given by Kavya today to us. Okay. This question is given by Kavya. Can you tell me what is the answer? What is the reason? 1 plus 1 is equals to 4. How? This is the question given by Kavya. Anyone, can you tell me? Open your cameras, beta. I want an interactive session. Yash, Palak, Sanchi, open your cameras. Or else I will
Ma'am,
remove you from the meeting. Beta,
ma'am,
switch on your cameras or else I will remove you from the meeting. Yes, Kavya?
ma'am, actually I spoke the wrong question and the question was 1 plus 1 equals to 10. How?
देखो क्या कर रही है?
Ma'am, it is just a physical question.
हाँ कुछ इसमें कुछ add up कर देंगे like this.
Yes. No,
Is it
ma'am,
so,
no, ma'am.
Kavya? Is
Ma'am,
it so?
ma'am, 1 plus 1. Ma'am, it is only 1 plus 1 equals to 10. Ma'am, how?
Ma'am, how?
1 plus 1.
Ma'am,
Chalo,
I gave all
everyone.
5.
Okay, do
Ma'am,
one
1
thing.
plus 1.
Let's.
Ma'am, I gave all 5 minutes.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
know.
you
Ma'am,
the answer.
Okay, Netik.
ma'am, in plus we remove one stick, it will be 11 and 1, the plus will be
Okay,
become minus.
let's remove this.
11 minus 1.
You are saying what you will do?
Ma'am, it will be 11 and there will be minus 1
You
stick
will
was
remove
there.
this and add here. No.
No,
Sorry.
ma'am.
Just remove line and make it here, right? Is it
And
so,
the
Kavya?
vertical line will
Ma'am,
be
this
there
one
and
is
horizontal.
this side.
No,
Yes,
ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
ma'am,
11
that's
minus
not
1,
done.
10.
Chalo,
No,
you
ma'am.
can think about it. By the time we are starting the next question in the reasoning, ठीक है, think about it. Prakarsh, Falak, Prakhar, open your cameras, beta. I want an interactive session. I don't want कि मैं बोले जा रही हूँ और आप. I don't like to. My camera is on. Your camera should also be on. If my camera is on, आपका camera भी on होना चाहिए. Otherwise, don't sit in class.
Ma'am,
It is a class. क्लास में कैसे मुंह छुपा कर बैठते हो? फोटो लगा कर बैठ जाते हो
Ma'am,
क्लास
it
में?
coming, the meeting is
Huh?
locked by the host when I was joining from
But
the
actually, it
Zoom.
was done by me by mistake.
Ma'am,
don't
I
know
was
that it
thinking
was
कि
locked
ma'am
up
ने
and I
lock
was
कर दिया है.
thinking why the strength is so low. And I was continuously thinking his strength
Yes,
इतनी
ma'am.
कम
ma'am,
क्यों
it
है
is
class
still
में?
low. Ma'am, it is still low.
It is still locked.
Ma'am, Hassan was saying.
No, it's not locked.
Yes, ma'am.
Hassan, don't show me your before and after picture. Please show me your recent picture of yours. I want to see a recent photo, not the before and after one. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
to save time, ma'am, Canada's answer.
Which one? Abhi, I will ask
Ma'am,
you
of this.
Afterwards.
Ma'am, to
First we'll
save
do
time.
reasoning.
Ma'am,
No,
Canada.
Kavya, first we'll do the reasoning. Afterwards we'll do. Okay, see this exercise 2. We are doing exercise 2, everyone. Okay, we are still lagging behind. I think Gaurav Ahuja sir is going for patterns. Has he done patterns? First chapter?
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, he has done chapter 3 also.
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter 3 also. Arey
Ma'am,
वाह,
he has
चलो
done
ठीक है. Then your syllabus is completed in reasoning. Only extras questions I have to do. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So see, WUV, you have
Ma'am,
to
he,
identify.
ma'am, he did some question of analogy also.
Okay, very good. That's good that you are practicing in my class also and
Ma'am,
in
but
this
not
class
a
also.
book.
Okay, it's okay. Now let me speak, Kavya. Please let me speak. Okay, identify the one that does not belong to the group of other three. That means classification you have to do. Classification means grouping. Classification means grouping. Okay, if you group the numbers, and Kavya, you have to promise me you will not speak in between. Okay, let others also
Okay,
speak.
ma'am.
I will ask
Ma'am,
myself.
sure.
Okay, the one that does not belong to the group of other three. That means you have to find out the odd one out. Odd one out. That makes a group, that forms a group. Okay. Okay, let me, if you know the answers, type in the chat box.
Ma'am, of 15th one.
Huh. Okay, Sarthak.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Sarthak, I read your message. I will see to it. Is it correct or not? Beta, why? Beta, not only the answer, you have to tell the reason. Answers to beta बहुत easy होते, कुछ भी तुक्का लगा दो. But the main thing is about the reasons. Tell me the reasons. WUV, ZYX. I think it is very easy.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay, let me tell you this quickly. जल्दी से बताओ. Quickly type. बहुत easy है. I think anyone, any junior class student can also do this.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay, I'm checking. Wait. Okay, we can see now. Yes, very good. Arshia, very nice. First was given by Arshia, correct. Second answer is given by Parv. Very good, Parv. Kavya, correct. Punita, no, Punita.
Ma'am, actually in typing by mistake I have said.
Okay,
1 second, ma'am. I'm sending.
all right.
That
all
was
right.
right answer.
Don't worry. Yes, now it is correct, Punita. Okay, as you can see, okay, let me tell you the answers. Who, Arshia, tell the answer quickly, beta. Arshia, tell the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in all the options, ma'am, except A, ma'am, they are coming in order like X, Y, and Z from right to left.
Yes. Yes, as you can see, it is X, Y, Z.
Ma'am, but
It is in the
option
reverse
A
order.
is not coming.
X, Y, Z, R, S, T, they are in the reverse order. O, P, Q, they are in the reverse order. But if you see here, U, V, W should be there. If you want this answer to be correct, it should be U,
Ma'am,
V, and W. So this one is wrong. This one is the 15th is the odd one out. Okay, 24, 14,
Yes, ma'am.
48 and 18. Next one. 24, 14, 48 and 18. What is the odd one out here and the reason why? नहीं बेटा OP क्यों all the letters are Prakarsh बेटा see Prakarsh.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
thought that it is written OPQ.
Okay.
Now I
OQP. You thought OPQ. Okay. Yes, Sarthak, you were correct previously. Okay, Parv, very good. Very good, Parv. Your answer is correct. Okay, let me check it. Parv का ज़्यादा ठीक है या फिर काव्य का ज़्यादा ठीक है? Both have different reasons. नहीं Parv, because if you are नहीं Parv, your answer is wrong. Kavya, you are correct. Parv, now it is correct. Yes.
Ma'am, I have
नहीं Parv, full answer it is correct. ठीक है. Arshia, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Yes, it is correct. नहीं बेटा नैतिक, you are wrong. No,
Ma'am?
Naitik, this is wrong.
Ma'am, my answer is proper or per one?
Proper, correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. What about others? Others are sleeping. I'm getting the answers, only few of them. What about Hassan, Aviral, Prakash? Prakash is also giving answers. Sarthak, what about you? What are others
Ma'am,
doing?
it is too easy.
It is so
Ma'am, I
easy. Yes, it
sent.
is so easy. Rishabh, what about you? And what about these students? Arav, Dhairya, Rishabh, Prakhar, Yash and Falak. Why your cameras are off? Shall I throw you out of the meeting right now? What you want me to do? Shall I throw you out?
Ma'am,
Yes, Rishabh.
actually I have connected my phone to the charger.
Okay, so then also you can switch on your camera.
Ma'am.
I don't think so. Charger says that switch off your camera. Prakash, open a camera.
Ma'am,
बच्चे.
charges can't speak.
Charger is not
Ma'am,
safe.
is my
Aviral, okay, correct. Aviral, Punita, correct. Okay, let's finish it up here because this is very easy question. Yes. Now, first was given by, correct answer was given by Parv. Parv, Peter, tell the reason. Parv, tell the reason, Biche.
Yes. Ma'am, the reason is, ma'am, that if we see, ma'am, in the 16th question, ma'am, if we add A, C, and D, all are divisible by 3 if we see with the divisibility test, but
Yes.
only B1 is not divisible.
Okay, beta divisibility test की need ही नहीं है. It's all are coming in the table of 3, as you can see. And this is
Yes.
also correct. If you are using that method also, that is also correct. All are divisible by 3 except 14. सब 3 की table में आते हैं. 3 8 is 24. 84 is 48 is also divisible by 3 as 4 plus 8 is 12.
Ma'am,
8
16.
plus 1 is 9. So
16.
answer will be B14. B14 is the odd one out. Okay. Now let's start the next question. Okay, goat. This is very easy. These are very easy. Let's finish up quickly. कौन सा वाला odd one out है? To goat, puppy, cow, buffalo. Which one is odd one out?
puppy, cow, buffalo.
Yes, you can. Don't type beta.
Ma'am,
You can
got
tell
it.
it
Ma'am,
indirectly.
may I tell?
Beta, you can
Ma'am,
tell it
may I
directly.
tell?
Yes,
Ma'am.
everyone can tell this one. Everyone.
Ma'am, I have sent.
No need to send beta.
Ma'am, may
I
I
need
tell?
to.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
all
tell
are,
them.
ma'am, elder, but
Ma'am,
the puppy is the younger
okay,
one
ma'am.
of the
Yes.
dog.
Puppy is the baby of a dog.
Ma'am, I have
And
one
all
different.
others
Ma'am,
are.
option
all are
D.
the
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am,
one different.
Okay, December, February, March, and January.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am,
one
all
different
others are
reason for
adult.
17 one.
Huh? What is the
Ma'am,
18th
the
one?
answer of 17.
17th का puppy
Ma'am,
है.
I have
Just
one
because
different pattern for 17th.
Ma'am,
it's okay, beta. If
Ma'am,
you-
December.
Ma'am, the answer is
Ma'am,
option
can I tell?
B. Ma'am, option.
No need to
Ma'am,
tell.
can I tell?
No. Option 18 का बताओ. अब मुझे 18 का जल्दी से
Ma'am?
let's finish it up. Yes.
Ma'am, of 17th one. Ma'am, the pattern. Ma'am, I have
Write
one
in chat
different
box.
pattern because. Ma'am, because ma'am, except puppy, ma'am. Ma'am, because except puppy, Ma'am, goat, cow, and buffalo are domestic animals.
Yes, that is also correct. That is also correct. Okay, now the 18th one, December, February, March, and January. Now tell me for this one. Don't type it, beta.
Ma'am,
Everyone just reply like
Ma'am,
this only.
all the
Jaldi,
months
jaldi
have
kar. Let
31
me.
days, but ma'am, all the months have
Ma'am,
31 days, but February has 28 days.
Okay,
Yes,
very good.
Yes, ma'am.
February has
Option is the
28
right
days, except February. All the months are having 31
30
days.
or 31 days.
नहीं,
Yes,
जनवरी में भी
31 days.
31 होते हैं, दिसंबर में भी 31 and March में भी 31.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
have 31 days.
Yes, ma'am.
Chord, diagonal, diameter, and
Ma'am,
radius.
diagonal.
Diagonal, very good. Why?
Ma'am,
Why?
Because this is not a part of a
Chord,
circle.
diameter
Yes, very
and
good.
radius.
Ma'am, because ma'am, diagonal is not a part of a circle.
Yes, very
I
good.
also
Ma'am, this
told
is
you.
not
Very good. Yes,
fair.
I'm
We are
fine.
part of
Ma'am,
the
we should say answer in chat box. Ma'am, this is not fair. Ma'am,
Kavya,
we should
let
say
I
answer in
what I
chat box.
told you, Kavya. Enough is enough. Enough is enough.
Ma'am.
Okay, let others also speak, beta. I am saying don't मेरी बात भी सुन लो. What I am saying, please don't type in the chat box now. We have to finish it up quickly. These are very easy ones. I told you this now. These are very easy ones. So let us finish up quickly.
Ma'am,
Don't type
can
in
I tell?
data. Check the chat box के लिए. I have to see the chat box one by one. Okay, it will take a lot of time. So let's finish it up quickly. These are easy questions. You can
Tell
speak
the
those answers.
answer of 20.
Beta 19th is diagonal. Why is it diagonal? Let me also explain it
Ma'am,
because
can I
some
tell
of them
the
are not
20th
able to. Beta,
answer?
let me speak. Let me speak, Punita.
Yes, ma'am.
See, if there are some of the
Okay.
students those who are not able to understand. So let me also speak the answer for them. Okay, once we finish the this one question, let me speak the answer also because if they are not able to understand, they will understand from me. Okay, वो आपसे नहीं समझ पाएंगे because I'm the teacher. आप देख लो, try कर लो. So beta, see here why diagonal is there. Chord is a part of a circle. Diameter is also a part of a circle. Radius is a part of a circle, but diagonals are in the polygons only. Diagonals are there in the polygons only. Polygons, you know, the number of straight line closed figure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, चलो next 21.
Ma'am,
20.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, yes. One. Okay, do one thing. Don't raise your hand in the chat. This इस पे नहीं raise करना है. Right in your camera, you can raise your hands like this. Cameras may open. You can raise your hand for the 20th question. 20th. Okay, Prakash.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in
Punita, don't
20th
raise hand like
question,
this, beta. Huh?
ma'am, in the 20th question,
Yes.
except 37, all are composite numbers.
All are composite numbers. Okay, 37 is a prime number. You can say. Okay. All are composite numbers. Only 37 is a composite. Oh, sorry, prime number. Anybody else have any other reason? They may raise their hand. कुछ और reason है इसके अलावा? So you can raise their hand for this. Anybody? Yes, yes, Yash. Do you have another reason for this?
No, ma'am, I have raised the hand for 21 question.
No, no.
The answer is
Beta,
right
please
of
be
20
patient.
question.
Please be patient, Yash. Okay, next one. 21, 42, 21, 63. Raise your hands in your cameras. On your cameras. Okay, Punita.
Ma'am, in 36, 36 is not the divisibility of 7.
Okay, 7. Yes. Okay, you can say this also. Very good. They all are divisible by 7. 7 6 is 42, 7 3 is 21, 7 9 is 63, but 36 is not coming in the table of 7. You can say.
Yes.
Anybody has any other reason? Because I know there may be some
Ma'am,
different
can I
reasons also.
Ma'am, can I?
Beta, can I tell? नहीं बोलोगे. I don't want to see. Listen, can I tell? I want to see the raising hands on your cameras. That's it. If you have any other reasons except this, raise your hand on your camera. Okay, Kavya, you can tell.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, according to me, the pattern should be, ma'am, except 36, ma'am, all are divisible by 21. Ma'am,
Yes,
21
all are
is
coming in the
21,
table of 21.
22 is
21 2 is a 42,
and
21
21
3
3
is a
is
63.
63.
Yes, very good. 21 की table में नहीं आ रहे, that is also the correct. Okay, understood everyone? You can write down their reasons if you want.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, let's do the next question. These again non-verbal questions are there. Wait. Okay. Let's try till 27. ठीक है. Choose a figure from the options which is different from the others. Beta, please keep your cameras on. Even I switch my camera on just because of you. Okay, I don't need to switch on my camera. I just opened my camera so that we have an interactive session. You also speak, I can see your face, you see my face. Okay, खाली मैं बोलती जाऊँ वो भी नहीं अच्छा लगेगा, और कैमरे के अगर मैं भी कैमरा बंद करके पढ़ाऊंगी will also not like it. धैर्य, सार्थक, ऋषभ, open your cameras. Are you able to hear me, or shall I remove you? Don't sleep, don't lie down, and don't play the games, and don't chat behind the cameras. I know you people do these things when you switch off your cameras. This is the only reason to switch off your camera. Or shall I tell this to Spriti ma'am that this class does not, these students did not open the cameras? I have to take their names to Spriti ma'am if you're not opening the cameras. Yes, Hassan?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell the 20-second answer?
Yes, Hassan, I'm asking for the 20-second one only.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, both the in the following, both the darkened part are meeting each other. Doesn't matter, they are at different places. But in the
Yes.
B part, they are not meeting each
good.
other. So
Very
B
good.
part is odd.
Yes, very good. All the places, they are just joining each other. Yes, just joining each other. Only the B part, they're apart from each other, you can say. Okay, understood? Next question for the next one. Raise your hands. ऋषित अभी भी कैमरा ऑन नहीं हुआ है, पर्व का भी अभी भी कैमरा ऑन नहीं है, प्रखर का नहीं है, सार्थक शर्मा. And I will share this on the WhatsApp. I will take the picture of this on the WhatsApp group and share the picture कि किसका कैमरा ऑन नहीं है. अभी I will do this. I'll not let you know कि कौन ऑफ कर देता है. पलक का तो it's never on. I've never seen the face of Palak. Okay, see this one and tell me which is okay. Raise your hands for this question.
Ma'am, which one? 25th one?
Yes.
Ma'am, 23rd.
बेटा 23rd. 22 तो हो गया ना. Now we have to start from 23rd.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Raise your hands on your cameras only. That's it. Try. Let them try. Let others try. Let us give some time. Beta, I know reasoning you need time to think. So let them think for a minute. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Just think about it. Yes, Aviral. Aviral is raising hand. Yes, Aviral. You can tell.
Ma'am, ma'am, A, B, and D, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, the ma'am shaded portion is in ma'am right noun portion, ma'am.
Right.
And the C1
Right.
upper.
Right down corner. है ना? You can see it is in the down right corner. And in C part
Ma'am,
it
I
is in
have
the
a
right up
different
corner.
answer.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now 24th. Raise your hand for the 24th. Dhairya. Yes, Dhairya.
Ma'am, in 24th, B, C, and D there are 3 parts which are shaded. And ma'am,
Okay.
in A, there are 4 parts which are shaded.
Very good. In A part, there are 4 parts which are shaded. In B part, there are 3. C part, there are 3 shaded parts. In D part, there are 3 shaded parts. Very good. धैर्य अच्छा लग रहा है ना? अब ऐसे आप भी बोल रहे हो, मैं भी बोल रही हूँ. There, all the students are participating. I can see your face, and you can see my face, and we all are participating in it. है ना? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि एक ही बोलता रहेगा, एक दो बोलते रहेंगे, आप शांत बैठे रहोगे क्लास में. आप कैसे सीखोगे फिर? वो तो जो बोल रहे हैं वो तो बोलते रहेंगे. But how will you learn about it? Okay, 25th question. Raise your hand for the 25th one. Think about it. I think they are easy ones.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
very
Very easy.
easy one. So try yourself
Ma'am, can I tell?
and raise your hands. मैंने कितनी बार बोले can I tell, मुझे सुनाई नहीं देना चाहिए भाई से भी. Very good. I want to see all the class, the whole class raising hands. I want to see that. The whole class raising hand for the answer. These are very easy answers. Okay. Kavya, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, according to me, ma'am, in the 25th question, ma'am, all the musical tones, ma'am, are rotated by 30 degrees.
Are rotated by 30 degree. Like this, it is coming here, then it is coming here.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a second. Just let me share the link of the next
Yes,
class.
ma'am.
Fourth. At what time next class start? 11:20.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Wait. They are rotated 30 degree. At what it in what one? Which one? It is not rotated 30 degree.
Ma'am, option D.
Option D. Anybody else has any other reason?
Ma'am, it is
Ma'am, can
Kavya,
it is rotated
Kavya,
120 degree.
Kavya,
Ma'am,
now
can
switch off
I?
your mic. Switch off your
Ma'am,
mic.
can I tell?
Not like this, beta. I will see myself who are raising their hands. Let me see some new students raising their hands. Yes, Rachit. Yes, Rachit.
Ma'am, in a 25th question, the figure ABC, the upper part is facing right and the bottom part is facing left. And but ma'am, in D, the upper part is facing left
Yes.
and bottom part is facing
Yes.
right.
This is the easiest one. You can find it out. That upper part जो है वो black है. Upper part is black. Upper part is black. Here the side is different. You can say it is on the right side. Here it is on the right side. Here it is on the right side. But here it is on the left side. Okay. Yes. Good, Rachit. I want to see that some new student to nahi. They are sitting idle. They must try. Okay, I am not teaching one or two students in the class. I'm teaching each and every one of you in the class. So I want each and everyone's participation. Okay, now see this one, 26th one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, raise your hand for the 26th one. Raise
Ma'am,
your hand.
in
Harry, switch off your
25th,
mic. Huh?
ma'am, in 25th, there
Yes.
can be answer B also. Ma'am,
Why?
because all are
Yes,
tilted.
ma'am.
Ma'am, all
Yes,
are
yes,
tilted,
yes.
tilted
Good.
and
My reason
he
was
is
that only.
standing straight.
Yes, very good. Very good, Hassan and Dhairya. They are correct. एक ये भी हो सकता है reason, but they are tilted. They are tilted, but tilted does not show. If you see, beta, they are all tilted, but they are not tilted in one direction. If they're tilted in one direction, then we can pick up the B part. ठीक है? Maybe they are rotated. You can say as it is told by this Kavya, they are rotating also 30 degree. So that means they are rotating it also. It may be get है ना Hassan? Dhairya and Hassan, understood why B is
Yes,
not the
yes.
answer?
Yes,
Why you
ma'am.
cannot follow this pattern? They are tilted just because they are not in one direction. If they are in one direction, then you can follow this rule. If you can
Okay,
see,
ma'am.
one of them is in the opposite direction, so they may be rotated. That's why they are changing the directions. So you cannot choose that one, B part.
Okay.
That's good that you are using this reasoning also. Good, very good. Yes, Hassan, 26th one.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the 26 one, ma'am, B, C, D have 1 point at the one corner of the circle, but in the
Okay.
A1 there are 2
Yes, there
points
are
at
two
both the
2 points.
sides.
Very good. A part. It is clearly visible. Okay. So the next one. Next one. Yes, Arshia. Now you will answer the next 27th one. Arshia.
Ma'am, the 27th one, ma'am, there is one dot at the one edge. Ma'am,
Okay.
it is having, ma'am, like, ma'am, I'm not able to explain it.
Okay. It's okay. But you know the answer, right? It's
Yes,
okay if
ma'am.
you're not
Ma'am,
able to
answer is
explain.
options.
Okay. Anybody else who can explain me the answer? Yes, Yash. You can answer.
Ma'am, I can.
Yes, Yash.
Ma'am, the answer is option C because ma'am, the figure A, B, and C are same, and the figure C is different.
Acha, figures are same. Figures are actually same, but actually they no, they
Ma'am,
are
I'm
not
that
same.
ma'am, the option of A, B, and C are but A, B, and ma'am, the C,
The position of, ma'am,
ma'am,
the
the
position of
line
one
is
dot is
ma'am,
changed in option C.
ma'am, the line is not as like A, B, and D.
Okay, okay. The line is not
line is-
similar. Okay, okay, okay. The line is not similar. The line is like downwards and it is upwards in C. Okay, you can see this line. No
Yes.
need to see the
Yes,
dots. You
ma'am.
can see this line. This line. Wait, wait, wait. Let me show you. Because many of them are getting confused here. ये वाली line देखो बेटा ये down side में जा रही है. ये वाली line side जो है down side में जा रही है. But here it should be like this. ऐसी होनी चाहिए थी. है कैसी? ऐसी है. That's why it is the wrong one. Odd one out. Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes. चलो,
ma'am, I have
let's-
a different.
Yes, you have a different. What you have? Dots के बारे
Ma'am,
में
the
देख रहे होगे
option
है
is
ना? Dots के बारे में देख रहे होगे आप है ना?
no, ma'am.
दो.
The option is A, ma'am, because and because all the figures are rotating 90 degree, but the first figure is
Hmm.
not rotating.
Yes. You can say that also. Good. Okay, see the 28th one. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes, excused. Yes, now the
Ma'am, I
28th.
am offing my ma'am, I'm offing my camera only 1 minute because
Okay,
I
beta.
have
Okay,
to
okay, okay.
present.
Yes,
Okay, beta. Okay,
ma'am.
next
Ma'am, but the
27th one.
answer
Raise
of
your hand.
27 question is C.
C तो है, वो तो बोला था 27 का, C तो बोला था.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Raise your
ma'am.
hands for the
Yes, ma'am.
28th one. Raise your hands for the 28th one. Okay, Aviral. Aviral.
Yes, ma'am. In
Tell the
the
answer.
28th one, ma'am, we can see in the first one, ma'am. First is the rectangle, and ma'am,
Okay.
that is coming in the second one. It is coming in the last, in the
Okay.
right corner.
Okay.
And ma'am, then the second one is the ma'am circle. Ma'am, circle is coming diagonally in the
Okay.
second one.
Okay, beta, as you
So,
can
ma'am,
see, this is a question of analogy here. ठीक है? This is a question of analogy. हाँ, speak. Speak, beta,
yes,
Aviral.
ma'am.
हाँ.
In the second pattern, ma'am, in the L1, ma'am, it is given, ma'am, the right option is B, because ma'am, we can see in the first pattern, the second one circle is coming diagonally, and it is unshaded. And ma'am, in the second figure, ma'am, it is given that triangle is unshaded, so ma'am, it will be coming diagonally unshaded.
Okay. Now see, as you are saying, let's try. I told you when
Ma'am,
these
can
type
I
of
also
questions
tell?
come. No,
Excuse me,
no
ma'am.
need to tell. No, because time is less. Let me explain this question within 2 minutes, and we'll complete it till 28. See here, what is going on here? Here it is a triangle. Let's try this square. ये square यहाँ था और ये square last में पहुंच गया, and the shaded one also. So whatever the figure where will be, it will be, suppose it will be in the opposite direction. Whatever the figure is coming here, it will come here. ऐसा देखो ये वाली figure कहाँ पर है? ऐसे वाली. In which option it is there? Check करो. किसमें नहीं है ऐसा कर लो. Unshaded one. इसमें भी है but it is not shaded. C part में है, it is not shaded, so this one is not the correct answer. यहाँ पर star है, this is also not the correct answer. ठीक है. अब ये जो लाइन थी, लाइन it is coming here. तो इसका मतलब है, नहीं ना, लाइन नहीं, सॉरी वेट. अब ये देखते हैं ये सर्कल कैसे जा रहा है. ये सर्कल इस स्क्वायर की जगह आ गया है. इसका मतलब ये ट्राइंगल अनशेडेड वाला ऊपर आ जाए यहाँ. ठीक है. तो लेट्स सी इन ए और सी में से, इन यहाँ पर ये दोनों में ये फिगर है. अब ए और सी में से ट्राइंगल, और वो भी अनशेड. अब देखो यहाँ क्या था, सर्कल अनशेडेड था तो अनशेडेड ही सर्कल आएगा. ट्राइंगल अनशेडेड था तो ट्राइंगल अनशेडेड ऊपर आएगा. तो ऐसा किसमें है ट्राइंगल अनशेडेड ऊपर? ए और बी में से. Are you all able to hear me? Yes.
Your voice is breaking.
Acha, I think there was some network issues. Now it is okay. So here, if you can see in a triangle, it should be B. Triangle जो है unshaded वाला वो ऊपर आएगा. तो answer is B. Understood? मैंने क्या बोला था? एक चीज देखा करो. Take any one thing. Don't take all the things all together कि triangle भी देख लिया, star भी देख लिया, line भी देख ली, सब चीज एक साथ देखोगे, you will not be able to get it. Okay?
And
So
we
first
should
में
do
आपने
step
क्या
by
देखा?
step.
Yes, we should do step by step. पहले आपने स्क्वायर ले लिया, आपने स्क्वायर का मूवमेंट देखा कि कैसे जा रहा है. जैसे स्क्वायर का मूवमेंट जा रहा है, उसकी फर्स्ट पोजीशन का जो मूवमेंट था वो कैसे चल रहा है. See the movements one by one in this type of questions.